Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect PS5 to Roblox. This process is the only current way to play the game on your console, as a dedicated application is not directly available. You will be streaming the game from a personal computer, using Sony's official remote play feature. This method allows your PlayStation 5 to display and control Roblox running on another device. It is a seamless workaround for enjoying your favorite virtual worlds. To begin, gather a few essential items. You will need a capable personal computer, running either Windows 10 or 11, or a Mac with a recent operating system. Make sure this computer can run Roblox without issues. A strong internet connection, ideally providing at least 5 megabits per second download speed, is crucial for smooth gameplay. Finally, ensure both your computer and PlayStation 5 are on the same local network, maximizing connection stability. Before connecting to your PlayStation 5, prepare your personal computer. Begin by downloading and installing the Roblox player from the official Roblox website onto your computer. Once Roblox is ready, download and install the PlayStation Remote Play application, available from Sony's official website. After installation, sign in with your PlayStation Network account. Ensure your computer has a stable, fast internet connection, preferably using an Ethernet cable for best. Place your cake pan into the preheated oven and bake for about 30 to 35 minutes. Keep an eye on it after 25 minutes, as oven temperatures can vary. To check for doneness, simply insert a wooden skewer or toothpick into the center. It should come out clean. Once baked, let the cake cool in its pan on a wire rack for exactly 10 minutes before carefully inverting it onto the rack to finish cooling completely. This prevents it from breaking.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.